Hey guys, how's it going? It's Auret here. Welcome to Merch by Amazon update number 49. So I'm filling in for Jewel to bring this update to you guys. She's actually really sick. So it's weird because a couple of days ago we were doing a hike up Grouse Mountain here in British Columbia, and she nailed it, was totally strong, but now she's really sick. It's just a flu or something. So she will be back next week for you guys, or maybe even later this week. So here is the latest on what's been going on with us with Merch by Amazon. Our sales have been doing pretty well this past week. You know, even one day was 13 sales in one day just on Merch by Amazon alone. So that was pretty cool. And Redbubble, we're still selling not just shirts, but also stickers and greeting cards. And those sales have been daily on Redbubble. And Etsy, I'm the one who uploads to Etsy. I kind of take care of our shirt selling on Etsy. We've been doing well there as well. We've been averaging at about 2 to 4 sales per week. And even one day we had 2 sales in one day, which kind of makes sense because I've learned that when you make a sale on Etsy, it actually attracts more sales and more visibility to your listings. So when you make a sale, your listings, I'm not exactly sure which ones or how Etsy does this, but your shop basically gets a better ranking when someone is searching for related designs that you have in your store. So that was really cool. That was the first time we had 2 sales in one day. And the consistency of sales has just been greater than even about a month ago, because I think it has a lot to do with the consistency of uploads. So Maria, Jewel, and we each have set targets to upload a certain amount to our respective platforms. So for me, I upload 10 new designs to Etsy per week. Maria uploads 20 new designs to Redbubble, and Jewel does 40 uploads to Merch by Amazon. So we each have those targets, and we even have an Excel spreadsheet where we record those targets to make sure that we're on track. And we started this about a couple weeks ago, and ever since that we have been seeing consistent sales, which is really great. I've also personally been paying more attention when I do my uploads. You know, when I decide what designs I should upload to Etsy next, I always make sort of informed decisions. So I don't just do random upload designs to Etsy. I'll always look at what has sold, what are people favoriting on Etsy, and what are our customers also searching for on Etsy. And you can find all of that information out with the Etsy seller app or from the dashboard, which is really great. It's not like Merch by Amazon where you don't have that information, so that works to our advantage. Once I see that information, I'll take any related designs and upload those first. And I'll also prioritize based on what holidays or events are happening right now, or what's coming up. So just to give you an example, this past week I just uploaded some 4th of July designs as well as Canada Day designs, because those celebrations are coming up. So that's the latest. Another thing as well is we got a message or announcement from Merch by Amazon stating that we have 30 days to remove any text in our descriptions, in our listings, relating to, talking about the shirts or talking about shipping. So talking about the shirts in terms of like describing the shirt or the quality of the shirt or anything like that, because that's a liability for them. So, and they sent this out to all sellers on Merch by Amazon. So Jewel now has to go through all of our listings and ensure in our descriptions that any sort of wording is removed, because way back when we started this, we used to put, for a looser fit, get a size up. and we used to put that in our descriptions, but that is a no-no now. We could get in big trouble for that, so we have to go through all of our listings. Jewel is the lucky one to be doing that, so she's going to be doing that and removing all of that wording. So make sure, you guys, if you have anything like that too, that you get it removed less than 30 days. You have less than 30 days to do it now. So that's a quick update for you guys for this video. Jewel will be back next week. She plans to do a live scanning video for you guys later this week, just like we did last week where we went into Dollarama and showed you guys, you know, a couple of items and we were scanning them and showing you what was a good product to get, what wasn't. So if you guys watch that, be sure to stick around for that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All of that would be very much appreciated. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Back from the dead.